Hi, this is Brian Shepard from the floor of the CME Group. With the holidays of Good Friday and today's holiday overseas in Europe, the markets are very quiet. I'm sure everybody's seen this in the news. They've also seen this big plays. Everybody's talking about silver and gold, what the Chinese are up to. Obviously, over the last few weeks, we've heard $50 targets in the silver market, and with the big extension overnight and some profit taking, we believe, is going on there. Back into the equities, this week we've got a lot of earnings out, and I'm sure everybody's heard this as well. About a third of the S&P 500 report this week. So that'll keep us sharp and it'll keep us on our toes, which is also, going to put some kind of wild card into the play here. We still believe that there's a bullish bias into the market, and the pullbacks have been being bought, and we don't see why that would stop at this point. Again, everything hinges on these wild cards. An exception to that, some of your risk there is, any geopolitical, anything out of Greece, and the Middle East seems to be old news at this point, but, tensions flare up. We always have to watch what's going on with the Saudis and the Iranians. There's a lot of bickering going on there and posturing, and we'll keep an eye on that for the future. Again, financial stress is what the name of the game is here. Greece, or as I said, the pigs come into play here. It could derail this bullish bias that's set in. But the S&Ps currently are sitting. The Globex high was 35 even. Today's daily range, they got up to just shy of 34 even. And again, it's very muted volume here. There's only about 70-ish locals that showed up in the S&P pit this morning. On the downside, we think the next, the resistance is probably in place there at 35, 36, and the downside, we're looking at the next support area of 28, 1328 even, and down below that, we could go into the 23, 24 area. But with as quiet as it is, we're not looking for any outside move from that tight range. On Wednesday, all eyes are going to be on the FOMC coming up on Wednesday. And the release obviously at 1:15 Central Time. So I think today is slow, tomorrow will be slow, tomorrow afternoon, for sure, and then possibly into Wednesday morning, very muted volumes. Have a great day trading, and we'll see you tomorrow.